Alright, good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gasaligan Vlogs. And today we'll be talking about an equivalent form of the conditional. So we have here the equivalent form of the conditional. If an equivalent form for the conditional, that is P implies Q. So this is an equivalent form for P implies Q, which is the negation of P, disjunction of Q. So this one. So this is equivalent to P implies Q. So if this is the equivalent, we have to write a conditional in its equivalent disjunctive form. Okay, write each of the following in its equivalent disjunctive form. So let us go back here. So this one, we have to think a bit. Okay, this one. Okay, we have to write here. So P implies Q is equivalent to the negation of P disjunction of Q, or this is OR. If we're going to restate this one in letter A, so if I could play the guitar, so this is our P, and I would join the band, this is our Q. It's the same as stating that if I could not, this one, we will have the negation. I could, okay, if we could not play, I could not play the guitar, or I would join the band. Okay, this is the equivalent for if I could play the guitar, I would join the band, or if I cannot or I could not play the guitar, I would join the band. For letter B, we have here if Arnold cannot play, so therefore if Arnold cannot play, then the Dodgers will lose. So if that is equivalent statement for this one, if Arnold cannot play, so Arnold can play. Arnold can play, or Dodgers will lose. Okay, this is an equivalent for this one. Okay, so if Arnold cannot play, then the Dodgers will lose. So another problem, write each of the following in its equivalent disjunctive form. So let us recall this one back again, back here. P implies Q equivalent to negation of P or Q, or this is disjunction of Q. So if I don't move to Georgia, so letter A, if I will move to Georgia, because I don't, so the negation is I will move to Georgia, or I will live in Houston. Okay. And letter B, so we have here the number is divisible by 2, then the number is even. So if the number is divisible by 2, so therefore the negation for this one is the number is not divisible by 2, or the number is even. Okay, so this is all about writing a conditional in its equivalent disjunctive form. So this disjunctive form, from conditional to its disjunctive form. So try this at home, write each of the following in its equivalent disjunctive form. If x is a rational number, then x is not a terminating decimal. If Mr. Hyde had a brain, he would be dangerous. If the fog does not lift, our flight will be cancelled. So thank you so much for listening. I hope you learn about equivalent for by conditional to its equivalent disjunctive form. Thank you so much.